Hello, everyone. My name is Gay Gordon Byrne, and I'm the Executive Director of Repair.org. I'm delighted to welcome you to our third annual Worst in Show Awards from CES in Las Vegas. Every year, we keep searching for the things that prove why we need to be able to repair our stuff, protect our privacy, and protect the environment. Our judges have selected from hundreds of candidates to find the least repairable, least environmentally friendly, most invasive of our privacy, and flat out ridiculous products for your consideration.
Hi, I'm Nathan. I direct the Right to Repair campaign with PERG. There isn't any place on Earth or in the space beyond that America's advertisers aren't looking to place more ads. The average person sees 10,000 ads per day, and well, Instacart thinks that's frankly not enough. Let me introduce you to the Caper Carts, an AI-powered shopping cart which shows you ads while you shop. Or an Instacart bizarre promotional newspeak, it introduces experiences to help you connect with brands. Disturbingly, the promotional materials reference giving you a personalized, relevant experience based on past shopping behaviors. I can't be the only person trying to live down my past shopping behaviors. That's why Caper Cart gets my Worst in Show award in the Who Asked for This category. I think Caper Cart is honestly a pretty great name because this thing is a heist. Grocery shopping is already overwhelming, especially navigating all the sales and promotional gimmicks. A shopping cart that scans everything I buy and pushes me to pick pre-selected brands? Who asked for that?
I'm Cindy Cohen, Executive Director of the Electronic Frontier Foundation. The award for Worst in Show for Privacy goes to Amazon Alexa and BMW for their partnership to extend creepy tracking and with it the potential for domestic abuse to our cars. As Mozilla has demonstrated, the decision to turn our cars into smartphones on wheels is a privacy nightmare. We have an increasing number of stories of people, generally women, trying to escape abusive situations and having their cars serve as vectors for harassment and abuse. Imagine your ex doing this from the car. Alexa, unlock the front door. Alexa and BMW, and frankly all of the car companies who are racing to turn our cars into tracking devices, need to ensure that victims can turn this off. Until they do, the Worst in Show award goes to Amazon and BMW.
My name's Paul Robertson. I'm the founder of Secure Repairs. I'm here today to present the Worst in Show Award for Cybersecurity at CES. And this year, the award goes to smart vacuum maker Ecovac, which unveiled its X2 combo vacuum this week at CES. So why the Ecovac? What we have here is an autonomous mobile in-home surveillance device equipped with cameras, microphones, LiDAR, voice recognition features, and AI models used for object identification. A device harvesting that amount of sensitive personal data from your home better be using top-shelf security, right? Wrong. A presentation in December at the Chaos Communication Congress in Hamburg, Germany, by researchers Dennis Giese and Braylon Lutka revealed that the vacuums were easily hackable. User data collected by the vacuum, possibly including images, is stored in unencrypted form on the device. Also, mobile app protections for access to a live video feed on the robot vacuum can be easily bypassed. Their research suggests that the cybersecurity of these sensor-rich smart home devices should be a cause of deep concern for consumers, and that's what wins a Deebot X2 combo this year's Worst in Show for Cybersecurity.
Hi, my name is Stacey Higginbotham, and I'm here with Consumer Reports, presenting the Environmental Worst in Show Award. And we are choosing the Macrowave from Revolution Cooking. This is a device that does infrared cooking and is supposed to replace your oven and your microwave, and it's connected to the internet. We feel like the amount of electronics in this thing is crazy excessive, plus it's tempting that it will replace existing devices or just become an additional device on your countertop that you end up throwing away just a few years later.
I'm Kyle Ween, CEO and co-founder of iFixit. We rate products for repairability. We take them apart and figure out what's going to be easy to work on, what's going to fall apart quickly and be impossible to fix. And this year's Worst in Show for Repairability award goes to Sennheiser for their Momentum True Wireless 4 earbuds. The True Wireless 4 earbuds have the same problem that the 3 and the 2 and the 1 had. They have 3 integrated batteries that are unreplaceable. There's no way, if you buy these $300 earbuds, to replace the batteries. Sennheiser won't sell you a battery. They don't have any instructions. This product is disposable. So 2 years after you shell out $300, you're going to have to go and buy another set. This is ludicrous. We should not have such a short-lived product that can't be serviced. It's not right for consumers, and it's not right for the planet.
Hey, it's Cory Doctorow, EFF activist and science fiction writer and coiner of the term Enshitification, the American Dialect Society's Word of the Year for 2023, the name for the process by which companies make things better for themselves while making things worse for their end users and their business customers, so the whole thing's a pile of shit. And this year's Worst in Show CES prize for Enshitification goes to BMW for their Xreal Air 2 augmented reality heads-up display. Not that there's anything wrong in principle with a heads-up display in your car, but this is BMW, the company that brought you Dieselgate and the $12 a month subscription steering wheel. This is not a company you want to give control over your field of vision to. Dollars to Deutschmarks, they're going to fill your screen up with fast food ads and then charge mom and pop shops double the price to have their own store show up in your field of vision and not be plastered over with the logos for multinational corporations. Nobody wants SpawnCon on their windscreens. This is straight out of the Cyberpunk was a warning, not a suggestion playbook. No one's toddler should be run down in the street because someone's Beamer had a Big Mac in the wrong spot on the windscreen at the wrong time.
If these awards make you feel like you want to do something, we have a few ideas. Right away, the Federal Trade Commission is looking for comments from you as to why you want your right to repair and why they should make new rules making that happen. We made it easy. We set up a petition at ftc.repair.org. A second idea is to contact your state legislators because they can actually make laws giving you your right to repair. 45 states are already in process. A dozen of them are currently active this year. All you have to do is go to repair.org/standup and follow the instructions. A third idea is join with us as a member of the repair.org coalition. All you have to do is let us know, and we'd be delighted to add you to our over 400 member organizations and businesses. Thank you very much for your attention, and let's have a good repair day.